Fields are used similar towards custom fields inside of your chatbot builds. You can go towards app fields on the left hand side and then create an app field. An app field you can give a name. So for example, let's say email. You can give it a type. So if we have the regular types like text, number, boolean, date, time, and JSON, can give default values, a description, or place it even in a folder if you want to have it more structured. Let's press save. And now we have the field created. You can use these fields inside of your flows. So if we were to go with an external request, we can basically use these created flows directly here, as you can see. Also, they will be used inside of the actions for the inputs and outputs. And once inside, you will be able to use the inputs and outputs with those fields that we have towards the app field section, as you can see here. That is the way that you can use app fields throughout your mini apps.